I'm going to show you how to hear Discord in Parsec or while using Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure your sound settings are correct. So right click on the audio icon in your taskbar and open Sounds. And in this window, go to the playback and make sure to select your main output device as the default device. So for example, if you have a headset, you want to right click on it and set as default device, or click on this button here and then double click on it and go to levels and make sure the audio is not 0% so you can properly hear it. And then you can click on apply and OK. Now you can close out of this window and go to Parsec settings. Now in the settings, click on the host tab on the top here and scroll down to the audio settings and make sure you select the output device as well right here. So for example, the headset as the same one is selected in the sound settings, and then you can close out of Parsec. Now you want to open up Discord and go to user settings, scroll down and click on voice and video. Now from here, you want to make sure that you've selected the actual microphone device that you're using and the output device, the headset in this case. And make sure to adjust the speaker volume and microphone volume as well. You can also press this button to test if you can hear your mic or other people. And make sure that you have a proper input profile selected. So for example, you can use voice isolation or custom, and you can set it to the push to talk or always active based on voice activation. And now you should be good to go. You can just go back to Parsec or try to restart and reconnect to Parsec, and this should solve the problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.